Welcome to Tectonic Nights channel. Here's day 5 of solving easy Leetcode problems in Python. The task is to identify special characters in a given word and return their count. A character is considered special if it appears both in its lowercase and uppercase forms within the same word. To identify such special characters, we first need to understand the relationship between ASCII values of lowercase and uppercase letters. ASCII value of lowercase a is 97 and ASCII value of uppercase a is 65. The difference between ASCII values of lowercase and its corresponding uppercase version is 32. This pattern holds for all alphabetic characters. Now let's walk through an example word. Here the first character is lowercase a. ASCII value of a is 97. Subtracting 32 from this value gives 65, which is the ASCII value of uppercase a. Since uppercase a also appears in the word, lowercase a is a special character. Second character is a duplicate of the first character, so we can ignore it. Third character is uppercase A. We don't need to check this character as it's an uppercase letter and we have already counted its corresponding lowercase version. Fourth character is lowercase b. Its ASCII value is 98. Subtracting 32 from this value gives 66, which is the ASCII value of uppercase b. Since b appears in this word, lowercase b is a special character. Fifth character is lowercase c. ASCII value of this character is 99. Subtracting 32 from this value gives 67, which is the ASCII value of uppercase c. Since uppercase c appears in this word, lowercase c is a special character. Sixth character is uppercase b. We don't need to check this character as it's an uppercase letter. Similarly, the next character is also an uppercase, so we can ignore it. Now we identified that the special characters are lowercase a, b, and c. Therefore, total count of special characters in this word is 3. Now let's dive into the coding section. We start by creating a set from the given word. Using a set automatically handles duplicate characters, as sets only store unique elements. This allows us to focus only on distinct characters. We initialize a count variable to 0. We also define an offset, which is the difference between ASCII values of the lowercase and uppercase versions of the same letter. Next, we iterate over each character in the set. For each character, we check if its uppercase version exists in the set. If it does, we increment the count. After processing all the characters in the set, we return the count. The time complexity of this approach is O of n. This is because we only need to process each character once, and each lookup in the set is O of 1. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Stay tuned for more videos in this series. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. See you next time.